Today we are installing and reviewing this Can-Am hard-coated plastic windshield, full windshield, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it in the right way, step by step. Alright, so this is what you get in the package. You get your little, I think your French and your English warning labels. Can-Am. And here is the hardware. So the first thing we got to do is we got to remove this service panel. Second step is removing these little pop rivets here from the center console. I'm just using a flat head screwdriver and popping them out. Next, we're going to be removing all these screws and these in here. T30. Alright, Can-Am, explain this to me. So one side had no washers, no metal washers here, and this side, the driver's side, had metal washers and all the bolts. It's like the seat belt thing. One side has different seat belts than the other side. Drill out these little dimples, 7mm drill bit or 9/32, which I have a 1/4 inch because I don't have any of these French Canadian sizes. So we're gonna do that and wiggle it a little. Next, we're inserting these on the right hand holes. All right, installing these little brackets. Strap it in. All right, so I definitely see what you're paying $600 something for as far as even the plastic windshield goes, because it's nicely bowed. It looks like a legit windshield. This is what it looks like fully installed. Next test is going to be on the dunes, and we're going to see how it's going to perform and how it's going to handle. it's raining. I got the roof, I got the bimini top, and I'm staying somewhat dry. It's like 37 degrees outside and I'm actually doing pretty well. This is what it looks like when it's raining. It does suck that you can't have a windshield wiper with this, especially in the sand. Like, can you imagine how fast this plastic would get scratched up if you would put a windshield wiper on it? Like, seeing some of those Amazon windshields, the plastic ones that have like the 2 manual wipers, like this is hard coated. Can you imagine how fast those just will get chewed up, and like total waste of money. As far as these clips, as far as rattling, as far as anything crazy or something that might be causing issues, I definitely don't see any problems so far. I mean, I was bouncing this thing around in all sorts of ways, but it definitely is very difficult to see with the rain coming down. It looks actually even a little bit better on the GoPro, but when you're cruising, it almost puts like a white haze on the outside of the windshield, and you could see that between the droplets. If that's going to be an issue for you, I would definitely recommend getting the glass one with the windshield wiper for 600 bucks. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about it. I feel like it's a great product. It was easy to install. It fits great. It looks good. It's bowed out like a real windshield. It's not like a flat piece of Lexan like the ones from Amazon or eBay. So those are all the good things. Here's something that I don't like. So my seat is actually, the passenger seat and the driver's seat is actually moved down lower in the lower position. I'm okay with this. My wife actually drove this, the Can-Am, yesterday, and she was having issues seeing over the black spot, and then right above that, if you see the lake right there, it totally warps whatever you're looking at. That is the worst part of this windshield, and this is almost borderline where I would say I want a glass windscreen, because the morphing of the light, I guess I should say, is really frustrating when you're coming over a dune and you're trying to see what's below, or how steep it is, or how much of a drop off it is, and where you're going, and you lift your head up a little bit and all you see is the image, or the whatever you're seeing gets totally warped. That's the crappy part about this windshield. Would I recommend this windshield? I'm gonna say for 600 bucks, everything's awesome about it except the warpage. That is kind of a killer for me, and I might even possibly be looking into eventually getting a glass windshield. So I'm 50-50 on this. If you think that this warpage is gonna bother you, don't get it. If you think that's not gonna bother you and you're only gonna use it for rainy weathers and take it off when it's nice and sunny and warm, then this is the windshield to get, because it's great quality besides the warpage. Anyway guys, if you like the video, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Later.